Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going inside the Nexara EV Mega Factory, a place that feels less like a car plant and more like a full-scale industrial ecosystem built to deliver colorful electric cars by the thousands every single day. If you enjoy deep dives like this, design, production, and the real engineering behind EVs, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next factory tour. The story starts where every great car starts. The design lab. Before a single panel gets stamped, Nexara's teams are obsessing over form, airflow, materials, and color. Because in a high-volume EV world, paint isn't just style, it's identity. You can see the palette taking shape long before the first body is welded. Metallic flakes, pearlescent finishes, rich primaries, deep blues, and bold greens. Built to look incredible under real daylight, not just showroom lights. From there, the scale ramps up fast. The stamping hall hits you like a physical wave, massive presses shaping panels with repeatable precision, feeding the body shop where robots stitch the structure together. It's loud, fast, and coordinated, every arm moving with purpose. This is where consistency is born. Millimeter-perfect alignment, laser scans checking geometry, and quality gates that catch issues before they can travel downstream. Then comes the heart of any EV, the battery system. Pack assembly is a choreography of safety and automation. Modules set into place, connections torqued, seals laid down with a clean, deliberate rhythm. No drama, no shortcuts. Just disciplined process, because reliability at scale is built on thousands of small steps done exactly right. Nearby, motors and power electronics move through their own cells, where the work is less about spectacle and more about precision, thermal control, and repeatability. And now the moment everyone remembers, the paint shop. This is where customers ordering colorful cars becomes real. Body after body glides into robotic booths that spray consistent coats at speed, then cure into a deep, mirror-like finish. You'll see batches of cobalt, crimson, emerald, pearl, sunburst, each one dialed for uniform gloss and clean reflections. The factory isn't just building cars, it's manufacturing desire at industrial volume. After paint, the cars become complete machines. Interiors drop in, seats, dash, panoramic glass, then wheels, sensors, and final trim. The Nexara shield badge lands like a signature, the Nexara plate locks into place, and the vehicle moves into test and inspection. Light tunnels reveal paint quality. Water booths check seals. Rollers verify drivetrain behavior. Calibration lanes tune sensors. And through it all, the same theme repeats, speed with discipline. This is how you build thousands without losing the details. What ties the whole system together is the ordering pipeline, the silent command center behind the scenes. Configurators, scheduling, and digital tracking don't just decide which car gets built next. They decide which color, which trim, and how the mix stays balanced so customization doesn't break throughput. That's the trick, delivering variety while keeping the line moving like a machine. Outside, the scale is almost unreal. The dispatch yard stretches into the distance, rows of finished vehicles arranged like a living color mosaic, staged for rail, truck, and regional delivery waves. You can feel the factory's momentum even out here. Autonomous movers, loading ramps, logistics choreography, and an output cadence designed to meet relentless demand. Then it's off to the test track, where the experience becomes tangible. You hear the EV surge, the wind noise, the tire bite through corners, the calm stability under braking, proof that production speed doesn't have to mean bland driving. And finally, the moment the factory exists for delivery. Cars roll into pickup bays, doors open, cabins light up, and new owners drive away in the exact color they chose, because this entire mega system is built to turn a click into a real car at scale, day after day. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite Nexara color, cobalt, crimson, emerald, sunburst, pearl, because I want to know what you'd order. And again, if you want more inside looks at EV tech, mega factories, and how these machines are built, subscribe to the channel now. See you in the next one.
Känns det signal vilken percentage med this for?
So we can doing a network for mouse slash and we'll try
Yes.
it now.
Oh, no.
We are thrilled to unveil the titanium concept. Notice how the aerodynamic design seamlessly integrates the lighting structure.
I mean, to remain alive.